If you're looking for home decor by Lollipop, this video is for you. My name is Emma, your personal guide. Welcome to our channel. At any time you can click this circle in the corner, and get more info and real-time deals on your favorite products. Ready? Let's start. Number 1, Most Popular, by Lollipop Labels. Watch this video, choose your favorite. Number 2, by Lollipop. Number 3, by D&J Lollipop Stands. For more info about this great home decor products, just click this circle. Number 4, by Lollipop Labels. Number 5, also by Lollipop Labels. And online deals, for more great related products.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.